Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock this device with my face, and we'll see does this feature work and how fast does it. So let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is it. The face unlock feature works here so fast. That is a really good result. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition with the glasses. I'll just try to unlock the device without them. So that's not a problem. As you can see, that feature works with the glasses and without them. So that's it. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than punch codes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.